Broccoli is an important part of a healthy diet for many people around the world. Broccoli is low in calories and high in fiber, vitamins and minerals that offer numerous health benefits. Health benefits of broccoli. 1. Broccoli fights cancer. Several studies have proven that broccoli helps prevent various types of cancer, including breast cancer, prostate cancer and skin cancer. This anti-cancer effect is provided by its large amount of sulforaphane. Broccoli contains properties that depletes estrogens which usually cause cancer in the body. 2. Maintains heart health. Broccoli has a very high fiber content, along with significant levels of beta-carotene, omega-3 fatty acids and other vitamins. It helps reduce bad cholesterol and keep the heart functioning properly by regulating blood pressure. 3. Increases eye health. Broccoli contains beta-carotene, vitamin A, phosphorus and other vitamins such as B complex, vitamin C and D. All these rich nutrients are great for eye health. 4. Promotes weight loss. Broccoli contains very low amount of calories. For 100 grams, it only has 34 calories. A single cup of steamed broccoli is considered a healthy snack in any weight loss diet plan. 5. Great for detoxification. Since broccoli is rich in fiber, it can help get rid of toxins through the digestive tract. Broccoli contains glucoraphanin, gluconaspartine and glucobrasicin, which are special nutrients that help to detoxify the waste components from the body. 6. Stronger bones. Broccoli contains high levels of both calcium and vitamin K, both of which are important for bone health and prevention of osteoporosis. 7. Anti-aging. Eating broccoli regularly helps in reducing fine lines, wrinkles, skin issues like acne and even pigmentation.